Have you ever wondered why food transforms in the kitchen? In this quick video, we're going to explore the fascinating chemistry behind cooking and how it turns raw ingredients into delicious meals. Cooking is more than just following a recipe, it's a series of chemical reactions. When you apply heat to food, you're kick-starting processes that change its texture, flavor, and even color. For example, when you cook meat, proteins denature, meaning they unfold and link together in new ways. This process not only changes the texture of the meat but also releases flavors that were locked inside. Another key reaction is the Maillard reaction, which occurs when amino acids and sugars in food are exposed to heat. This reaction is what gives browned foods like seared steak or baked bread their rich, complex flavors and golden color. It's the reason why a grilled burger tastes so different from a boiled one. But it's not just heat that causes changes. The acidity or alkalinity of ingredients can also affect the outcome. For example, adding lemon juice to vegetables helps them retain their vibrant color, while baking soda can make cookies spread and become crispy. So, next time you're in the kitchen, remember that you're not just cooking. You're conducting a series of chemical reactions that transform your ingredients into something amazing. Understanding the chemistry behind cooking can help you become a better cook and appreciate the science behind every delicious bite. Thanks for watching this brief exploration of the chemistry of cooking. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what you'd like AI to explain next.